Safeguard your digital life with Google Authenticator, your frontline defense against unauthorized access. First, you'll need to download the Google Authenticator app. Open your device's App Store and search for Google Authenticator. Tap Install or Get to download the application to your phone. Once installed, open the app. You'll see a Get Started button. Tap it to proceed. Now, to add your first account, most services offer two methods: scanning a QR code or entering a setup key. Scanning a QR code is usually the easiest. On the website or service you want to secure, locate their two-factor authentication setup section. They will display a QR code. Position your phone's camera over the QR code until the app recognizes it. Immediately, the account will be added to your Authenticator app, generating a unique, time-sensitive 6-digit code. To add more accounts, simply tap the plus icon usually located at the bottom right or top right of the app screen, and repeat the QR code or manual entry process. When you log into your secured accounts, after entering your username and password, you'll be prompted for a verification code. Open your Google Authenticator app, find the relevant account, and enter the current 6-digit code shown in the app. And that's it. You've successfully fortified your online accounts with Google Authenticator, adding a powerful layer of security to your digital life.